why I don't cook.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wait lang. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, gagawa tayo ng beef tapa. Okay? So, this is a homemade beef tapa. So, since we are just quarantine, no? Nasa bahay lang tayo. So, mahal na yung bilihin sa labas. So, I think we have to make our own para makatipid-tipid. Okay. So, okay, cut. Okay, for the ingredients, of course, our main ingredient is beef tapa. Kita mo? And siya. So, washed na yan siya, but instead of washing it with water, I washed it with vinegar. Suka. Okay? Huwag na hugasan ng tubig. And then after that, lagay mo siya sa drink. Okay? So, there you go. For our first and main ingredient. Okay, and sa pangalawa natin na ingredient, we have Coke. Okay? So, 1 cup of Coke para sa ating pag-marinate. Okay? Ayan. Naka-rendered tayo. And for our next ingredient, we have 2 tablespoons vinegar. Okay? And then, we have soy sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce. So, kahit anong brand na preferred nyo. Okay? So, next, we also have brown sugar. Ito, brown sugar. 1/2 cup of it. Okay? Brown sugar. So, it's light brown. Hindi siya yung very dark. So, I think this is lightly washed brown sugar. Okay? And then, yes, and of course, ang nagpapabango ng ating tapa is garlic. Okay? And I have prepared here 6 cloves. Okay? 6 cloves of garlic, and then ginanyan ko na siya. Minashed ko na siya. And of course, we have the salt. Okay, and for the salt, I've prepared 1 teaspoon, and I'm using rock salt. Okay, and for the last one, we have the ground black pepper, and I've prepared 1 teaspoon. Okay, and we're now going to mix it to marinate. Okay, so ayan, lilipat natin yung beef tapa here. Use any basin or ano, kung saan ka pwede mag-mix. Ito kasi ginamit ko, kasi ito na yung gagamitin ko for marinating. Okay. So, ayan. Alright. Okay. So, kakamayin natin to later. Okay. Iba kasi gusto nila marinate with hands, of course. So, i-mix muna natin. So, next is the Coke. And then, yan, halo mo lang. Okay. And then, we have the soy sauce. Yan. So, kaya natin kailangan i-prepare para wala nang maiiwan, no? Hindi siya magkakulang-kulang. And then, I have here the vinegar. Vinegar. And then, the brown sugar. Okay. So, kaya tayo may kutsara to scrape everything. And then, also the garlic. Kikita niyo ba guys? Scrape. Ayan. Kasi mahal ang bilihin ngayon. So, don't waste any of the ingredients. Sa tabing kalsada lang tayo mga guys, ha? Wala tayo sa bundok. Kaya maingay sa labas. And the last one is the black pepper. Okay. So, ayan na. Okay, ayan. And we're going to mix it.
$2,000 years later.
So, i-mix mo lang siya na yung mix. Make sure na lagyan lahat. Okay, massage. Okay, so ayan na, na-mix na natin. So we have to cure this for 24 hours, meaning we have to put this in the fridge. So wag natin ilagay sa freezer. Okay? So we'll be back tomorrow after 24 hours. And titingnan natin kung na-absorb na ba niya ang ating nanarinate. Thank you! See you tomorrow! Okay, so ano natin siya? Okay, so maglalagay na tayo ng mantika. So I'm using canola oil. Okay, and we'll start to get it. So, huwag natin siyang tustahin kasi masusunog yung sugar niya, no? So, let's eat. Ito na yung ating beef tapa na binabad natin overnight. Okay, so, kauna ta.